Hi, this is Karen with WTI. When it comes to powders, this Laura Mercier translucent powder has been a go-to in my makeup routine. One way that I like to apply it is by putting it into this powder puff and then press it onto my skin. And you can see the difference from one side to the other. It gives this really thin layer of product, but it's mattifying and it takes away any shininess. And look at how light it is. It flows in the air. I love to apply it with this brush. So it gives me a super fine application. My makeup gets locked in place. And if I make any mistakes with my blush or my eyeshadows, I can just grab a little bit of this translucent powder and then erase it, completely erase it, blend and marrying all the colors and the products in my face. And that's my point of view.